Okay, for problem set 9, just like you did in your learning, you're going to make 10 to solve. So we're still using that same strategy. You're going to use a number bond to show how you took 2 out to make 10. So number 1 says, Ben has 8 green grapes and 3 purple grapes. How many grapes does he have? So I know that I'm going to take 2 out. It's going to be easier to take the 2 out of the 3. And give to 8, because I know 8 and 2 will make that 10. And if I take 2 from 3, I know I have 1 left over. So your number bond should stem off of the 3, and you should give 2 to the 8, and then you have 1 left over. So now I have 10 plus the 2 extras. 10 plus the 1 extra equals 11. So 8 plus 3 must equal 11, and Ben has 11 grapes. You're going to do that for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You need to use the number bonds to show what you're thinking. And over here, you're going to make the 10 plus facts. Here's the same thing. They give you the 10 already. Here, you just have to write your 10. Okay? So you're going to make the 10 with 2 from the other number. Notice the pattern. We're using 8 in all of these. So I know that I'm going to take 2 from my other part to give myself 10. Once I make 10, whatever is left over, that's going to be my other part over here. Remember, it's easier to add a 10 plus fact because I know that the single digit plus the 10 will equal the same thing. Go to the next page on the back. So you can pause and do that, and then flip it over and press play. On the back, complete the addition sentences and number bonds. So 10 and 1 equals, well, 11. So I just put 10 and 1 in here. Notice it doesn't matter where your number bond is. This is going to be my whole, and wherever I have the 2, those are my parts, okay? Whether it's on this side or up and down. So you're going to do A, and then you're going to do B. So notice this is 10 plus 1. If I take 2 from my 3 to make this into a 10, it's the exact same thing. I have 10 and 1 again. So they both equal 11. This one just has the parts 8 and 3. This one has the parts 10 and 1. So they go together. Number 9, A and B, number 10, 11, and 12. So you're going to fill in the number bonds to go with your parts and your whole. Alrighty? And then you're going to check your answers just like you always do. If you got them right, go ahead and put it in the bin. If you missed some, go back and fix them, meet with a buddy, or check with me. Good luck!